Okay, so today you guys are going to work on looking at the rock kits like you had the mineral kits the last time. These are all going to be in big plastic boxes. You're going to number them from, you're going to start in the upper left corner, and that's going to be number 1. Work your way across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the top row, and then whatever number starts your next row. Okay, so top to bottom, left to right. Okay, so what you're going to do, you are going to go through the rock kits using something called a dichotomous key. Okay, so on the screen in front of you, you see something like a rock key that is in your key. Okay, so you should be able to see this a little bit better. Yours is a paper version. Mine is the website here. So what you're going to do is for each particular rock, you're always going to start at number 1. So your first question is the rock made of crystal grains? And there's always going to have a little bit of a description here. So this one doesn't have a lot of flat, shiny faces. Now faces is not like faces, eyes, nose, mouth. Faces is like flat parts to the rock. Maybe tiny to small that reflects light like little mirrors. You may need to use a magnifying glass. You should have a magnifying glass in your kit. If you do not, there is a little tub of them on the cart. So if your answer is yes, then you, so if the question is the rock made of crystal grains, and you said yes, then you would say the rock is made of crystal grains with flat, tiny surfaces. So now it's going to tell you to go to question number 2. So you skip down to question number 2. Does the rock have both layers and crystal grains? Look carefully. If it's yes, you're going to go to number 4. If it's no, you're going to go to number 5. Always start at number 1. It's always going to tell you exactly where to go until you get down to the very end. And as you go along, let's see if we can find something here that's going to tell you. Okay, so all of these numbers down to 41, you'll see the numbers here on the side, okay, are going to tell you what number you're going to. So if you were doing a rock and it told you to go down to number 41, number 41 is a conglomerate. It's a sedimentary rock. It looks like it has a bunch of stuff stuck together, okay, and the minerals are made of mostly quartz. What you would do at that point in time is you would take your chart that you drew in your notebook. Your far left column is going to be the rock number, your rock name. So rock number 41, or rock number 1 in your kit, let's say this conglomerate was number 1. You would have rock number 1 in it. Rock name would be conglomerate, and characteristics is going to be stuff that you described. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Good luck. Do your best. If you do mess up, always start back at number 1. Don't try to take a step back, or take, like if you got lost on question number 35, don't go back to 34. Start completely over at number 1. Okay? Good luck!